Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a cute chibi version of Spider-Man from the Marvel and Miniso Collab. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the shape of the head with a large angled oval. Next, let's draw the eyes. Start with a diagonal line inside on the right. And then a curve under it like this. Now do the same thing for the left eye. Let's add the spiderweb pattern on his face now. Start with a curve in between the eyes here. And then two curves above the middle of the eyes. From this point, draw a line up to the top of the head. Now add diagonal lines up from the top of both eyes. And then two diagonal lines down from the center of the bottom line between the eyes. Now continue these diagonal lines around the sides of the face like this. Next, in the bottom, draw a curve between the diagonal lines here like this. And then do the same thing on the top, making 3 rows. These should curve in the opposite direction than the bottom curves. Let's draw the hands next. Above his head, draw a curve up and back down like this. And then one more line down back to the head. Next, inside, draw a line across. And then one more curve across above it here. And then add 2 diagonal lines. Now for the other hand, draw the same shape down on the left. Let's draw the shape of the body next before adding the details inside. Draw a diagonal line down to the right and curve it in at the end for the foot. Next, draw a shorter diagonal line above here for the other side of the body. Now add a curve up and back down to connect it to the other foot. Let's add the details inside the body next. Start with a diagonal line on the left shoulder. And then a line across the arm. And one more curve under it. And now add 2 vertical lines. Next, add lines across each foot like this. And then 2 lines inside each foot. Next, across the bottom of the body, draw a V shape. Then from the point, draw a diagonal line back up to the head. Next, add parallel lines on either side of the line we just drew. Now draw diagonal lines on the sides here. And then add a line inside each of these outside sections. Now in the middle section, draw 2 rows of curved spiderweb patterns here. Lastly, let's draw the spider logo. Start with a small black circle for the head. And then a larger black pointed oval under it for the abdomen. And then add the 8 legs like this. Now for the final step, let's draw the spider web he's hanging from. Start with a line down from the top and curve it into the hand. Now continue this curve on the other side of the hand and draw a wavy line out to the right. And that's it for this cute Spider-Man. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.